Odette, welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. 2024, hello. Welcome to 2024. Happy New Year to all of you guys. It is a brand new year. 2023 just flew by. Oh my God. So I do wish all of the best for you guys, and I do hope all of your dreams are going to come through for you this year. 2024, here we are. Let's see what this year is going to bring for all of us this year. And of course, what a way to start this brand new year with skincare. And by the way, if you are new, my name is Odette. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. And thank you for clicking on this video. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, and your notification is turned on so you will be notified every time I upload a video. This channel is basically about skincare as a mature Black woman. I have been using so many products over the last few months that works really well for my skin, and that's what I'm bringing to you guys on my channel, on my social media, and also on my website. It's an unboxing video today, but I've just opened everything just to save time. If you have been watching my videos in the past, let me just bring this down, it's a little dark, you would know that I've already used this line from Miss Elizabeth Grant. I've used this line before, and this is a magnificent, beautiful, incredible skincare line. And especially if you are a mature woman, you want to get rid of the crow's feet, the dull skin, the sagging skin, all of these skincare issues that you do have, this is the line for you. Let me tell you what you're going to get in this package. This is a collagen neck and décolleté cream, collagen facelift day cream, collagen facelift night cream, collagen serum. This is the microdermabrasion face polish, and of course you do have the bath and body gel right here. I've used these products before, but I just put them back just for presentation today. I have the most incredibly sensitive skin. This microdermabrasion face polish works absolutely fine for my skin. Didn't break my skin out. I wasn't irritated. I wasn't bruised. I didn't break out. My skin felt totally fine. If you are thinking of starting your skincare journey, I would recommend that you do this once a week. However, get a little one like this and use very little. A little bit of this goes a long way. Don't be dipping your fingers in the product. Get a little spoon or a baby spoon or something, or a little wand like this. You can pick these things up from the dollar store and scoop out just a little bit, and you are going to massage this all over your face. Stay away from around the eyes, and don't even leave this on for a few minutes. Just give yourself at least 2-3 minutes to massage this over your face. It's going to give your skin a beautiful polish. It is an amazing, amazing product. But for me, because my skin has already been cleared up, I would use this just for maintenance, and I can use this maybe 3 times a month. It is a good size, full-size product. This is the collagen neck and décolleté cream. As a woman of color, mature woman, I want to be able to maintain good skin, and I want my neck, because you know your neck and your hands are the 2 places where women, you can see your age quickly. And if you want to be able to maintain, sorry, my hair's in my face, and if you want to be able to maintain this beautiful smoothness around your neck, no crow's feet, no wrinkles around the décolleté area, this is the cream for you. And again, look at the size of this. You need just a little bit of this product to go a very long way. This is lovely. Have your neck looking beautiful, okay? This is the Collagen Advanced Facelift Day Cream. And again, I've used these products already. A little bit of this and your face is going to feel lifted, firm, tight. It's not going to feel like you can't smile. You know what I mean? But your face is going to be nice and firm and softly lifted. And listen, and this is not just going to last for just a little bit. This is going to be lasting for the rest of your life. So we do have the one for the day, and we do have the lift cream for the night. Do not use a day cream at nighttime, because daytime your skin performs differently, because you are alive, you are awake, you are outside in the elements. You are in whichever room where people may be smoking or something like that. So of course your skin is a little bit different. It performs differently. And of course, nighttime, your skin is a little bit more relaxed. So you want to be able to use a skincare product that is going to deliver the good benefits at night while you sleep. This is the day lift cream, and this is the night lift cream. You can tell the difference because this is black right here, well, for the night, and this is the daytime cream. Both are incredibly amazing. And this is the collagen multi-purpose serum. This is beautiful. And listen, when I wash my face with my regular face wash, I went in with my microdermabrasion, and then I went in with my serum. And I gotta tell you something, sometimes when you use a serum right after you do, let's say, a peel or a polish, the serum sometimes sting your skin. This one just melts right into your skin. And these products are not scented. They are all beautiful natural products, nothing to harm your skin. Great ingredients, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, jerusalem, great ingredients that's going to benefit your skin. Over time, you are going to see changes, beautiful changes on your skin. This serum is amazing. And last but not least, this is the body cream. It smells divine. A little bit of this goes a long way. This is going to last me such a long time. This is probably going to last me the whole winter because, again, just a tiny dime-sized pump on a little spongy thing in your bathroom is going to go a long way. And you just want to fall asleep when you use this. It is such a beautiful bath and body gel. If you're the type of person who love to take baths as well, you know, sit in a tub with your lavender bath salts and all of that, you can put a little bit of that as well in the tub, and it smells beautiful. Very relaxing scent. And of course, these are the products right here. They are on my Instagram page, and they are already on sassyover55.com, which is a website I own, and it is a skincare website. This is where you're going to see all of these beautiful products. It's going to give you an amazing experience when you buy this line. The link to get this is on the website if you want to get in on this. And of course, if you are thinking of starting your skincare journey, this is a great place to start. I'm going to tell you guys, you are going to see changes in your skin in a matter of 2 weeks, okay? Do you see my skin? I'm wearing kind of a bit of a lot of makeup today, but my skin is just really beautiful and lovely and cleared up. I love the way my skin looks by using some of these products, okay? So again, this is going to be in the description box for you guys. It's already on my website. If you want to jump ahead and take a look, go right ahead. And I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. Please check it out. Check this line out. You will not be disappointed. You will thank me later. You will say, by the way, Odette, you know what? You were completely correct about this Elizabeth Grant line. Okay, I have a reputation to maintain on this channel, so everything I tell you, please believe me, you will thank me later. So we are going to leave it here for today. I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I also hope you guys picked up a few tips as well for today. And again, if you're thinking of starting your skincare journey, you can start with this line. Lots more information is on my website, and please be patient with yourself when you start your skincare journey. Over time, you will see the big difference on your skin. So thank you guys so much for watching. Happy New Year again to you guys. Thumbs up this video, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Toodles!